So you're thinking about starting a side hustle and you're like, where do I even get the money to even start this side hustle? Well, you are in luck because in today's video, I'm going to share with you some side hustles that you can start today with less than $100. Let's get right into it. Now, the first side hustle that you can start with less than $100, actually, not even $100, with $0, because you don't need any money for the startup but your laptop, your computer, and this is online tutoring. Are you good at math? Are you good at English? Can you teach kids? Can you teach adults? What are you really good at teaching? Create your social media platforms, create a flyer, and you can start doing your online tutoring services, right? You can use Facebook Marketplace, you can use Kijiji, you can use Craigslist, whether you're in Canada, in the US, wherever you are, capitalize on the free marketing strategies in your area and you can start your online tutoring right now with less than $100. Second business that you can start with less than $100 right now is consulting, mentorship, or coaching. What are you good at right now? Think about it, assess it. What do people ask you for? What do people ask you for help to do? Is it resume writing? Is it fitness? Is it getting into your finest skincare routine? Is it your self-care? Is it cooking? Is it starting a business? What is it that you can start doing consultation for? You can start doing mentorship for. Think about what skills you have up your sleeve. See, we're all created uniquely. We all have a special gift or many other gifts. Some of us are multi-talented, multi-passionate. And if you're not sure, I've created a recent video on how to choose the right business idea for you to start off with right now. So if you're after watching this video and you're like, I have several different skills, gifts, and passion, I'm not sure which one to start off with, you can watch the video at the end after watching this one. I'll link it in my description. So think about what are your expertise, what are your skills, your gifts that you can help someone, guide them from point A to point B. Have you been through something? Have you had, so this could be going through an experience or from your educational background. Whatever it is that you can teach someone on how to do, you can set up an online coaching or consultation business. And again, you only need your laptop to start this. You might need Zoom, and Zoom, you can just use the free format because you can start off with one-to-one, and as your business scale, then you can upgrade, maybe using Google Meet. So there's several different platforms that are free. Again, use Canva to create your flyers. You can use a free version of Canva, which you don't have to pay anything for. You can get some business cards via Vistaprint for less than $100 for your marketing and your promotional purposes. So see, what's stopping you from starting your online business right now with less than $100? Third business idea that you can start for less than $100 right now is graphic design. Are you good at art and craft, web designing, making logos, making flyers? What are your skills in this graphic design era? There are so many small businesses who desire graphic design services. They don't have the skills like you. They don't have the time. They don't have this expertise idea, and they just want to get it over with, set it up, pay somebody to do it, and get going, launching their business. Now you can do this via Canva, via Adobe, several different graphic designing websites available. Some are for free, some you have to pay. So again, it's under $100 for a membership fee of maybe $30 to $50 to start this business. You can put your services on Fiverr, on Upwork. I've paid to do my logos. I paid to create my business card for my real estate business. So these are things that you can do if you're skilled and you're gifted in art and craft. Don't waste this precious skill that God has given you. Somebody else needs this skill and is waiting to pay you for this gift. Are you liking this video so far? If you haven't yet subscribed and joining this thriving family, please, I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscription button, because my algorithm is telling me that 82% of you who are watching are not subscribed. So please go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. Our goal is to get to 2K for Q2 2024. The third business that you can start is social media managing. I've been in several different Facebook groups, and recently I've seen the need being advertised for social media managers. So if this is your skills and your gifting in social media, Instagram, Facebook, even YouTube here, there are persons who are looking for people to post, to edit, even do YouTube video edits. So if this is your skill and your gifting in social media, you enjoy social media, is your thing, you can be a social media manager. You can start it for less than $100 right now. Do you have a sewing machine sitting around your house, which you are currently using for your personal use or your family use, and you are skilled and gifted in sewing, design, fashion? No. Why are you not monetizing this skill? You already have the sewing machine. You already have what it takes. Create your flyers. Put your advertisements on Facebook. Put your advertisements on Kijiji, on Craigslist. Stick up your flyers in your workplace. Use WhatsApp. Start using your skills and your gifts. Even at church, tell your church sisters about it. I can do sewing, I can do altering, and you can start making a little money, starting off of us as a side business, which can become a scalable business. Do you like this idea? Let me know by hitting the like button that this idea is for you. Number 6 is being a personal organizer or decluttering, helping people to declutter. There are several people who don't have the time to go through their house and organize, to declutter. Now spring is in the air. It's time for spring cleaning. I know a lot of busy professionals who don't have the time, small business owners, to spring clean their homes. If you enjoy spring cleaning, organizing, decluttering, again, make your flyers for under $100. Start market and promote yourself, because this is your thing, right? This is you when it comes on to organizing. Create an Instagram account, create a TikTok account, start doing behind the scenes, and this will invite other people to spread the word, to market and promote your business, just like that, with social media for free. Next up in line, number 7, is being a personal chef. You have those cooking skills. Yes, you make the best fried chicken. You make the best rice and peas or jollof rice. No. Why are you being selfish with this skill? There are some church sisters right now in your church who don't have the capacity to cook right now. There are some busy people who are working their jobs, being an entrepreneur, having a family, and they don't have time to prepare healthy meals. No, you can offer this service by creating different menus, and you prepare those meals, you drop them off, and you charge a price for this service. You have the potential. People always asking you, what are you cooking? What's the ingredients that you put into that? And you know how you can do this for free? Again, utilizing Instagram, Facebook, even YouTube platform, several different ways, TikTok. And you know how this business can be scalable? Later on, you start doing cooking videos on YouTube. Later on, you can create a recipe book. I'm not giving you too much information. If you want to learn more, I'll put my link at the end where you can book a one-to-one session with me to brainstorm, to pick my brain of how you can structure and formulate these business ideas. And we're wrapping up. We're at the last 3 right now. Have you yet subscribed? I know you're watching to see if these video makes sense, but we're at number 8 right now. Did any of this make sense? Yes? No? Subscribe. Let me know that it makes sense. Now, number 8 is being a virtual assistant. Now, this aligns with the social media thing. So if you are always on social media, why not use that time to become a virtual assistant with helping a busy new entrepreneur, solopreneur, to assist them in their business virtually. This you can do from anywhere in the world. I know that a lot of you, my friends, are watching from the US, from Nigeria, from Africa, from Jamaica, from Canada. You can do this from anywhere in the world, right? And you can start off with Upwork. So put your resume on Upwork. Again, you can use social media for free. Pitch to people. You see persons out there starting off new business. Tell them you are a virtual assistant. You can help them. And there are several different apps out there that you can use to help you with this business. So say, for example, a new business owner, they want you to send their emails. You know, you can use ChatGPT to create those email sequences. That's a tip. Now, let's look at number 9. It is affiliate marketing. Now, I know I mentioned this business idea, this side hustle in several of my other videos, but with this one, you can start it for free or with less than $100. And what's affiliate marketing? It's marketing and promoting other people's products. As I mentioned in my previous videos, Amazon affiliate is one of the most popular ones. You can become an Amazon partner, Amazon associate program, and Amazon on-site commission program where you are reviewing videos for Amazon. So there are several different ways of how you can start a side hustle for under $100. Now, there are other platforms. So whatever products and services that you use and you like, apply for their affiliate program, market that product, promote that product. Again, create your social media platforms to help you to market and promote yourself and these products by putting the links in your bio. Creating your Amazon shop, your Amazon storefront, and you put all those products in that storefront. You market and you promote them within your social media platform. Got it? Making sense? And number 10, do you have a nice luxurious car? You're not using this car every day. You can rent out this car on Turo. Yes, that's a website that you can rent vehicle. Now, this can bring in a little extra cash. Of course, you have to ensure that you have enough insurance coverage on this vehicle. So find out more what are the requirements. But I know persons who are making money from Turo having luxurious vehicles. Persons want to use it for maybe photo shoot. Persons are in your area for a weekend and they want a nice car, whether that is a BMW, a Audi, a Corvette. Why you have this car sitting in your garage when you can make some money from this vehicle? So explore how you can rent out your vehicle so you can create an extra side hustle while you're working for under $100. If this video makes sense, smash the like button and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.